Hello, welcome to the next session of Basic Furniture. I am Serge Girimbabazi.
Here with Habineza Michelle. We are trainers at Rubengi Activate School.
In the previous video, we saw how to fix doors.
Let's now continue with performing finishing.
Let's enjoy the lesson.
Hello everyone, my name is Habimana Gabriel Devota, a trainer at Rubengi Activate School. Today we have a fifth session about how to make a sideboard. The objectives of this session is that at the end you will be able to apply well finishes. The second one is that you will be able to hang correctly a furniture on the wall. I encourage you to follow well and take some note for more repetition. We have different kind of surface finishes such as two-pack finishes, clear varnish, we have sanding sealer, we have paint, and we have oil. We are going to apply paint and sanding sealer on sideboard, where we will apply paint on the face of MDF and sanding sealer on the edge of MDF, and after we will apply white paint on the edge. We are going to apply sanding sealer on this edge of MDF, and you have to apply 3 coats so that at the end we will get the surface like this one. You have to use brush to apply sanding sealer on the edge of MDF, and you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes so that it can be well dry. You have to apply sanding sealer on edges where you will not put glue. We are going to apply second coat on our MDF. As usual, we have first to smooth so that we can open up the grains. We are going to use sanding paper, intermediate sanding paper, to smooth between coats. While smoothing, do not smooth too much. Just smooth a little bit to open up grains and apply second coat of sanding sealer. We are going to do permanent assembly of our sideboard, and we will need to use clamp, protecting pieces, and wood glue. While performing permanent assembly, you will need someone to help you because you cannot glue it alone. Apply glue in all joints, even aside of joints. Put plywood at back. For us, we painted it for aesthetic, but if you use normal plywood, it doesn't matter, and then put the top panel. Put clamps all sides as well as protecting pieces and check diagonals. Depending on the use of cabinet, it is possible that you can add iron manganese in corner to increase its stability. Another way of gluing meter joints is to use masking tape instead of using clamps. Of course, first you should use or apply glue. When you reach in time of putting clamp, we should put masking tape. First, put masking tape outside face of piece and apply glue inside means in meter joint. And then put all parts together and also add additional masking tape and check diagonals. akakegura kuko ari kugafasha. Besides using clamps and masking tape, we can also use tension belt in case you have enough of them. We are going to apply paint on our sideboard, and you have to apply this white paint called acrylic finish paint. To apply it, you have to use spray gun. And as we are going to work with spray gun, we will need PPE like mask and gloves. First, apply paint on edges. Change the mouth of spray gun vertically or horizontally depending on how you are going to spray. As we produced two sideboards, one should be fixed or stand on ground floor. The second one will be hung on the wall. So in hanging the sideboard on the wall, we will use, of course, piece of wood to hang it on the wall, and we have to use hammer driller to drill on the wall. We have to use wall plugs and screws. As we are working with screws, also we need power driller with fixing bit for fixing screws. And of course we will need measuring tools. You have to measure and mark where you fix sideboard, where everyone will be able to use it comfortably. Drill on wall with hammer driller. After drilling, fix the piece on wall and then hang sideboard. Hope you enjoyed the lesson.
Once again, we have learned a lot from this.
As usual, you can find this video on the e-learning website of Rwanda Polytechnic for more repetition.
We welcome you again for the next session.
Until then, stay safe and
Goodbye.